Make a great choice today with the 2017 i3. BMW i stands for innovation. With its visionary design, the BMW i3 design defines the automobile of tomorrow. Its innovative BMW eDrive powertrain was designed in the scope of the BMW Efficient Dynamics technology and is not only locally emission-free, but also offers an incomparable and near-silent driving experience. The intelligent BMW Connect Drive services brings you easily and conveniently to your destination and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.